The title of this mini podcast is Selective Resistance. Do you resist learning from people you don't like? In the past, I know I did. I equated people I didn't like with any information they had to offer. As a result, I missed a lot. The Grasshopper succinctly reminded me, you can learn lots from somebody you don't like. As a personal example of this, there's someone who is very skilled that I know, and we are Facebook friends. But for whatever the reason, I can't seem to warm up to this guy. Almost everything he posts accentuates the things I don't like about him. I have a visceral response to this person. That said, I've learned quite a bit from his expertise. He's quite accomplished and very knowledgeable, and to me, quite annoying. But I would have missed out on many of his pearls of wisdom if I globally painted him with my prejudicial brush. We can learn from everyone we meet. What stands in the way of our learning is a wall of resistance that doesn't separate the wheat from the chaff. Gluten-free folks, please substitute a different metaphor. This is just a quick reminder that we hinder our own learning when we decide there are certain people we can't learn from. Want to learn more? Resist less. All the best, John.